In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram icon to your Canva design. This is a simple but really useful skill, especially if you're creating social media graphics, business cards, flyers, or any kind of promotional material where you want people to find you on Instagram. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your Canva design open on your screen. This could be any type of project, like a poster, an Instagram post, or a YouTube thumbnail. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of the Canva workspace. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different options like templates, elements, text, and more. From that toolbar, click on the option labeled Elements. This is where Canva stores all of its shapes, graphics, icons, and illustrations. When you click on Elements, a search bar will appear at the top of that panel. Now, click into the search bar and type the word Instagram. Be sure to spell it correctly, and you don't need to capitalize anything for it to work. After you type Instagram, press enter on your keyboard or wait a moment for Canva to load the results. You'll now see a variety of Instagram related icons and graphics. These can include simple logo icons, colorful versions, outline styles, and sometimes even decorative illustrations that include the Instagram logo. Take a moment to scroll through and look for the style that best matches your design. If you're making something professional or minimal, a clean, simple Instagram logo usually works best. When you find an icon you like, move your cursor over it and click once. Canva will automatically place that icon onto your design canvas. From there, you can click and drag to move it to the position you want, such as a corner of your design or near your contact details. To resize it, click and drag one of the corner handles in or out while keeping it proportional. You can also adjust colors on some icons by selecting the icon and then using the color controls in the top toolbar, depending on whether the specific graphic allows color changes. Try to choose colors that fit your overall design and keep the icon clear